Are you guys here for signing day? Congratulations, you can actually go straight to the conference room to check in, okay?
So what is your t-shirt size?
We are here today to celebrate signing day, where we get to welcome all of our future Raiders. It's such a fun day to walk up on stage, fill out that certificate. It's official. So not only do they have a moment that they get to capture in their Wright State timeline, but they have something for their graduation parties too.
It was very important for me to come out today just to meet new people and to get used to the environment that I'm going to be living in.
Excited, proud, emotional, you know. She just grew up so fast, you know.
It's a celebration of their commitment to the next stage of their lives, so it's a really fun time.
Wright State had a lot of opportunities for my degree. Really, I am looking forward to maybe a couple internships at Wright Pat. I am the first person in my family to go to college at all, actually.
I'm extremely proud. He's come so far in the past few years and can't wait to see what he accomplishes.
All these are free. You can get a decal for each of the family cars.
Everyone has been very welcoming and very helpful, which it's just great to have these kind of events. Everybody's so friendly and willing to help, and the professors that we met were great.
Students have a chance to connect with their future faculty members and people who are going to be teaching their classes. So it's a great opportunity to really build those relationships before they even graduate from high school.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Well, you're ahead of the game. Nice.